Questions have been raised over WhatsApp chats released by a senior IPS officer from the Haryana cadre in connection with the probe into Sushant Singh Rajput's death by suicide in Mumbai. Now, this exchange of WhatsApp messages was between the then DCP in charge of that zone of the Mumbai police, Mr. Paramjit Singh Dahiya, and he joins us now to clarify on these messages. What were these WhatsApp messages? Who was this officer? What was those conversations around?
WhatsApp messages were exchanged, but that were basically relating to his stay and all. One WhatsApp message which was given to me then when he came to stay in Bandra was that please ask the SHO of the Bandra police station to inform the manager of Sushant Singh Rajput that we are here. Then we go on forward to 19th Feb and 25th Feb. The WhatsApp chats that have been floating around on the media relate to these two particular dates. There was a telephonic conversation that I held with him. It was clearly told to him that without a written complaint, we cannot proceed in this particular matter. He was of the view that the girl or her associates should be unofficially called to the Bandra police station in a policia sort of a way, and the matter should be resolved to their satisfaction. Now, I would like to draw your attention to a particular chat that has been sent on 25th of February in which it is demanded that a person named Miranda, his police custody should be taken for 1 day somehow and he is going to spill the beans. How do you take the police custody of any person without a written complaint or a FIR? That is patently illegal. I refuse to do that. I told very clearly that without a written complaint, nothing doing, we are not going to act in this manner. Kindly send a written complaint. The written complaint never came.
Mr. Dahiya making it clear the context, the content, and the circumstances around those WhatsApp messages that seem to be floating around, suggesting somehow that the Mumbai police were informed and did nothing. But clearly, Mr. Dahiya clarifying on those allegations against the Mumbai police. In Mumbai, with camera person Sanjay Mandal, Saurabh Gupta, NDTV.